Trauma is something that can impact our lives in profound ways. Whether it stems from childhood experiences, past relationships, or recent events, it's essential to acknowledge its presence and actively work towards healing. Here are some key steps to help you navigate this process as an adult. Welcome to the Adulthood Authenticated, the place that helps you on your journey into adulthood. Here are 6 ways to dealing with trauma as an adult. Step 1. Recognize the trauma that has affected your life. It is a crucial and transformative process that requires you to identify and acknowledge the presence of trauma. This step is about giving yourself permission to explore your emotions and understand how they may connect to your past experiences. Take the time to reflect on your life experiences and pay attention to any significant events or recurring patterns that have left a lasting impact on you. Trauma can manifest in various ways, ranging from a single traumatic event to a series of adverse experiences over time. It could stem from childhood abuse, neglect, witnessing violence, experiencing a natural disaster, or even going through a difficult breakup or divorce. As you reflect on your life, allow yourself to delve into your emotions and memories. Sometimes trauma may be deeply buried, and it might take time to unearth and acknowledge its presence. Be patient with yourself during this process and create a safe space where you can explore your emotions without judgment. Understanding the connection between your emotions and your past is a crucial aspect of recognizing trauma. Ask yourself questions like, why do certain situations trigger intense emotions or reactions in me? Are there recurring themes or patterns in my relationships or behaviors? By digging deep into these questions, you can gain insights into the impact trauma has had on your life. During this exploration, it's important to remember that trauma affects individuals differently. Each person's experience is unique, and there is no right or wrong way to feel or to respond to trauma. Give yourself permission to validate your emotions and experiences, even if they differ from others or challenge societal expectations. Recognizing trauma is a significant step towards taking control of your healing journey. Step 2. Seek professional help. Trauma can be a complex and deeply rooted experience, and working with a qualified therapist or counselor is often the best effective way to heal. Trauma can impact various aspects of your life, including your emotional well-being, relationships, and overall sense of self. A therapist or counselor specializing in trauma can provide a safe and supportive environment for you to express your feelings, unravel your thoughts, and work through the challenges associated with your trauma. One of the key benefits of seeking professional help is having a dedicated space to explore and process your emotions. Trauma can stir up a range of intense and complex emotions, such as fear, anger, shame, or sadness. A therapist can guide you in understanding and navigating these emotions, helping you gain insight into their underlying causes and effects. Moreover, a therapist can help you unravel your thoughts and beliefs surrounding the trauma. Often, traumatic experiences can lead to distorted thinking patterns, negative self-perceptions, or a sense of helplessness. Through therapy, you can challenge and reframe these thoughts, cultivating a more balanced and empowered mindset. A qualified professional can also assist you in developing healthy coping mechanisms tailored to your specific needs. Step 3. Practice self-care. Engaging in self-care activities is essential for nurturing your well-being and finding inner peace. Trauma can leave individuals feeling emotionally and physically drained, making it even more important to prioritize self-care. It's about carving out time and space for activities that bring you joy, relaxation, and a sense of peace. Self-care is not selfish. It's a necessary and compassionate practice that allows you to replenish your energy and foster resilience. To practice self-care, start by exploring activities that resonate with you. This could be anything that brings you a sense of calm and happiness. Some examples could include practicing mindfulness or meditation to quiet the mind and promote present moment awareness. Engaging in hobbies that you enjoy, such as painting, writing, playing an instrument, or gardening, can also be deeply therapeutic and provide a creative outlet for emotional expression. Spending time in nature can be especially healing. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, going for a hike, or simply sitting by the beach. Connecting with the natural world can help restore a sense of harmony and tranquility. Nature has a way of grounding us, reminding us of the beauty and resilience that exists beyond our traumas. If you are liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and stay with us till the very end to know more about the 6 steps to dealing with trauma as an adult. Step 4. Seek support from others. Connecting with individuals who have experienced similar traumas can provide a sense of understanding, validation, and a reminder that you are not alone in your journey. Trauma can often leave individuals feeling isolated, misunderstood, or disconnected from others. Seeking support from individuals who have gone through similar experiences can help alleviate these feelings and foster a sense of belonging. Support groups or online communities specifically focused on trauma provide a safe and empathetic space to share your story, listen to others, and gain insights from their journeys. By joining a support group, you can find a community of people who understand the challenges, emotions, and complexities that trauma brings. Sharing your experiences with individuals who have walked a similar path can be immensely validating. It helps to break the silence and stigma surrounding trauma, provides an opportunity for mutual support and healing. Step 5. Implement healthy coping strategies. Use this to replace negative patterns that may have emerged as a result of trauma. Trauma can often lead to the development of unhealthy coping mechanisms such as substance abuse, self-isolation, or engaging in unhealthy relationships. By focusing on developing healthier ways to cope, you can support your healing journey. It's important to recognize that the negative coping mechanisms you may have adopted were likely survival strategies in response to the trauma you have experienced. However, as you work towards healing, it's essential to replace these harmful patterns with healthier alternatives that promote your well-being. One effective coping strategy is journaling. Writing down your thoughts, emotions, and experiences can be incredibly cathartic. It allows you to process and release pent-up emotions, gain clarity, and reflect on your healing journey. Journaling can be done privately or shared with a trusted friend or therapist, depending on your comfort level. Engaging in a regular exercise is another powerful coping strategy. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting chemicals in the brain. Exercise not only helps reduce stress and anxiety, but also promotes overall well-being. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, dancing, or participating in team sports. Practicing deep breathing exercises and mindfulness techniques can also be helpful in managing stress and promoting relaxation. These techniques can help ground you in the present moment, reduce anxiety, and provide a sense of calm. Simple breathing exercises, meditation, or guided imagery can be incorporated into your daily routine and serve as valuable tools in times of distress. Engaging in creative outlets such as art, music, or dance can be incredibly therapeutic. These forms of expression allow you to channel your emotions in a healthy and a constructive manner. Engage in activities that resonate with you, whether it's painting, playing an instrument, dancing, or engaging in any other creative pursuit that brings you joy and allows you to process your experiences. It's important to remember that healthy coping strategies are unique to each individual. What works for one person may not work for another. Take the time to explore different activities and find what resonates with you personally. Embrace self-compassion. It is crucial to treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and patience. Healing from trauma is a deeply personal and often challenging journey. It's important to remember that you are not defined by your trauma, and you deserve compassion and understanding as you work towards healing and growth. Self-compassion involves extending the same kindness, care, and support to yourself that you would offer to a dear friend in need. It means recognizing that your emotions are valid and allowing yourself to experience and process them without judgment or criticism. Acknowledge that healing takes time and that your journey is unique to you. During the healing process, it's common to encounter setbacks or moments of struggle. Instead of being hard on yourself, practice self-compassion by offering understanding and reassurance. Treat yourself with patience and gentleness, knowing that healing is a non-linear process. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Healing from trauma is a journey of resilience, courage, and growth. Recognize and acknowledge the process you make, no matter how small it may seem. Whether it's overcoming a specific fear, expressing your emotions more openly, or implementing healthy coping strategies, each step forward is an accomplishment worth celebrating. Dealing with trauma as an adult is undoubtedly challenging, but it's also an opportunity for growth, resilience, and personal transformation. Remember, you have the strength within you to overcome the past and create a brighter future. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these steps helpful and empowering. If you have any questions or personal experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Until next time, learn, plan, love.